Hey there, so it's full on summer and the yellow jackets and wasps are out. I've got some near the house that I don't want, so I picked up these Catchmaster yellow jacket and wasp trap. So let me tell you about these. I'm going to show you an install and we're going to see how well they work. So this comes as a 2-pack. They are reusable and refillable, which I really like, so I can order additional attractants when I need to and keep using the same bottle. The bottle's sturdy on the bottom, so you can either place it on a flat surface somewhere, or it actually has a hanging device and it comes with a twist tie that you can hang it over a tree. I'm actually going to put it on a shepherd's hook. So we're just going to use the bottle as is. I'm not going to take the packaging off it. Instructions are clearly listed on the back so you can understand everything going on. It's basically add water to the fill line, which is here. We're going to drop in the attractant. This attractant is good for East Coast and West Coast yellow jackets and wasps. Evidently, it's different attractants for different coasts. You drop this in, it dissolves, it puts out the attractant, and you're supposed to catch the yellow jackets. So this top part of the bottle where it hangs, you open this up. The yellow jackets will go in here, down the hole, into the feed, and then of course they can't get out. So let's do an installation. So I've got my water up to the fill line. It's about a cup of water. I've attached the twist tie, so I'm going to drop this in. So the lid goes on super easy. Twist tie lifts up the piece. Let's hang it up. All right, let's jump you ahead and see how well this works. So it's been a few days and I have got plenty of yellow jackets in there. I hope this helps you decide on if this yellow jacket trap is a good product for you.